Holistic healing techniques encompass a comprehensive approach to health and well-being, considering the mind, body, and spirit as interconnected aspects of a person's overall health. This topic explores a range of holistic practices and approaches that can promote healing, balance, and vitality. Here are some key details about the topic of holistic healing techniques: 1. Holistic approach. Holistic healing views an individual as a whole, recognizing that physical health, mental well-being, emotional balance, and spiritual harmony are interrelated. The focus is on addressing the root causes of imbalances rather than just treating symptoms. 2. Mind-body connection. The mind-body connection is central to holistic healing. Techniques often involve practices that influence both mental and physical health. This includes approaches like meditation, yoga, and mindfulness, which have been shown to reduce stress, alleviate physical ailments, and enhance mental clarity. 3. Natural healing methods. Holistic healing emphasizes the use of natural and non-invasive methods. This may include herbal remedies, dietary adjustments, and practices such as acupuncture, massage therapy, or chiropractic care. These techniques aim to support the body's innate ability to heal itself. 4. Emotional well-being. Emotional health is a key component of holistic healing. Techniques like art therapy, talk therapy, and journaling are used to explore and heal emotional wounds, manage stress, and promote inner peace. 5. Nutrition and lifestyle. Diet and lifestyle play a significant role in holistic healing. Nutritionists and practitioners may recommend dietary changes, exercise routines, and stress management techniques to promote overall well-being. 6. Energy healing. Holistic healing often involves energy-based approaches like Reiki, acupuncture, or energy psychology. These techniques work with the body's energy fields to restore balance and vitality. 7. Spiritual connection. Spirituality and personal belief systems are respected in holistic healing. Many practices, such as meditation and mindfulness, help individuals connect with their spiritual side, fostering inner peace and a sense of purpose. 8. Holistic practitioners. Holistic healing can be guided by practitioners such as naturopathic doctors, holistic nurses, nutritionists, chiropractors, and therapists who specialize in various holistic modalities. 9. Self-care and prevention. Holistic healing encourages individuals to take an active role in their health and well-being. It often involves practices of self-care, stress reduction, and prevention to maintain good health over time. 10. Personalized approach. Holistic healing is highly individualized. A holistic practitioner assesses each person's unique needs and tailors a plan that addresses their specific physical, mental, and emotional health concerns. Exploring holistic healing techniques can be a transformative journey towards achieving balance, optimal health, and a more harmonious life. Whether you're seeking to alleviate physical discomfort, manage stress, or enhance your overall well-being, the holistic approach provides a wide range of natural, complementary, and integrative techniques to support your health goals. Benefits of holistic healing techniques. Comprehensive wellness. Holistic healing addresses the physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual aspects of well-being, providing a well-rounded approach to health and wellness. Natural and non-invasive. Many holistic techniques use natural remedies and non-invasive methods, minimizing the risk of side effects and promoting the body's innate ability to heal. Reduced stress. Practices like meditation, mindfulness, and yoga can significantly reduce stress and improve mental clarity, leading to a more relaxed and balanced state of mind. Improved physical health. Holistic approaches may help alleviate physical ailments, improve immune function, and enhance overall physical health through techniques like acupuncture, chiropractic care, and dietary adjustments. Emotional healing. Emotional well-being is a core focus of holistic healing, offering a space for emotional healing, stress management, and personal growth through practices such as talk therapy, art therapy, and journaling. Nutrition and lifestyle. Holistic healing emphasizes the role of diet, exercise, and lifestyle in maintaining health. Nutrition and lifestyle changes can lead to improved energy levels and overall vitality. Energy balance. Energy-based techniques like Reiki and acupuncture work with the body's energy fields, restoring balance and promoting relaxation and healing. Spiritual connection. Holistic practices like meditation and mindfulness foster a sense of spiritual connection, inner peace, and purpose for those who seek it. Preventative care. Holistic healing encourages proactive self-care and prevention, helping individuals maintain good health and well-being over time. Personalized approach. Holistic healing is highly individualized, with practitioners tailoring treatment plans to address specific health concerns and goals. Enhanced quality of life. By addressing the root causes of health issues and promoting holistic well-being, these techniques can lead to an improved quality of life, greater happiness, and a more balanced and vibrant existence. Resilience. Holistic healing fosters emotional resilience, helping individuals bounce back from setbacks, adapt to challenges, and find strength in adversity. Long-term perspective. Patients and individuals are encouraged to take a long-term view of their health, leading to better decision-making, less impulsivity, and more thoughtful planning. Personal empowerment. Holistic healing empowers individuals to take an active role in their health and wellness, making informed choices and actively participating in their own healing journey. Holistic practitioners. Access to holistic practitioners provides guidance and expertise in various modalities, supporting individuals in their holistic healing journey. These benefits highlight the comprehensive and personalized nature of holistic healing techniques, which can be valuable for those seeking a more integrated approach to health and well-being. Whether addressing specific health concerns or aiming for overall wellness, holistic healing offers a range of tools to enhance your life physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. Conclusion. Holistic healing techniques offer a profound and comprehensive approach to well-being, addressing the physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual aspects of our lives. Through natural and non-invasive methods, they empower individuals to take control of their health and lead more balanced and fulfilling lives. In conclusion, here are some key takeaways. Wholeness and balance. Holistic healing recognizes that we are not just bodies with ailments, we are complex beings with interconnected aspects. By addressing the whole person, these techniques promote balance and harmony. Natural and non-invasive. Holistic practices often rely on natural remedies and non-invasive methods, minimizing the risk of side effects and honoring the body's innate capacity for self-healing. Stress reduction. Techniques like meditation, mindfulness, and yoga can effectively reduce stress, leading to greater mental clarity and emotional well-being. Physical health. Holistic approaches can help alleviate physical ailments and improve overall physical health. Practices like acupuncture, chiropractic care, and dietary adjustments play a crucial role. Emotional healing. Emotional well-being is central to holistic healing. It provides a safe space for emotional healing, stress management, and personal growth. Nutrition and lifestyle. Diet, exercise, and lifestyle changes are key components. They can boost energy levels, enhance vitality, and promote long-term health. Spiritual connection. For those who seek it, holistic practices foster a sense of spiritual connection, inner peace, and a deeper sense of purpose. Preventative care. Holistic healing emphasizes proactive self-care and prevention, helping individuals maintain good health over time. Personalized approach. Holistic healing is highly individualized, with practitioners tailoring treatment plans to address specific health concerns and goals. Quality of life. Holistic healing can significantly improve the quality of life, leading to greater happiness, balance, and vibrancy. Incorporating holistic healing techniques into your life can empower you to master your own well-being, foster resilience, and promote a sense of personal empowerment. It encourages a long-term perspective and an active role in your health journey. Whether you are seeking specific health improvements or aiming for overall wellness, holistic healing offers a range of tools to enhance your life physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. So, as you explore the world of holistic healing, remember that it's a journey where each step you take can bring you closer to a healthier, happier, and more harmonious life. Your holistic well-being awaits your attention, commitment, and intention. Embrace it, and you'll find a path toward a brighter, more balanced future.